Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the NARWAL Freo and its map settings within the NARWAL Freo app. So first thing we have to do, let's go ahead, let's enter into our vacuum. So you notice right here on the mobile app, we have a couple different options right from the get-go. We're just going to select it though. We'll be taken into all the device settings and you'll notice we have a nice, beautiful, populated map right here. So let's dive into all of the map settings that we have in this app. So first up, towards the top right-hand corner below the X in the settings gear icon, we have a 3D option here. This is our 3D map settings. So you do have that functionality if you want for your map to change it from 2D or 3D. It's up to you. It's pretty cool to view it that way. Very detailed, and it does a fantastic job. Amazing how accurate it is, getting all the different nooks and crannies and differences around your house as it makes its map. And we have the different floor types visible too. So that's the first option. You have 3D map viewing. And right below that, we have some map editing options here. First is our map type. We can do mono or color, up to you. And then we have our display options. Do you want to show room names? Do you want to show carpet? You can pick and choose those there. And from this icon, we can now get to the map editing settings in the top right-hand corner. That takes us to just about everything else we can do within the NARWAL Freo app for our NARWAL Freo. First, we can split rooms. So we can select a room and then we can split it. So we're definitely going to split this one. We'll do it right about there. That looks pretty good. Boom. And very quick. So we can split. If for some reason we want to merge rooms, you can do that too right there. And we'll save our settings. And there's merge again. We can also rename rooms. So what do we want to call this room? A lot of presets, or you can customize it yourself. So that's how you name rooms. Then we have floor material. So we can select a room and we can adjust the floor. Hardwood, tile, cobblestone, general. Then we have carpet. So this is important, guys. You want to make sure you get the carpet settings right in each room. So if you have rugs like we do here, you want to make sure you tell the vacuum exactly what to do when it encounters those carpets. So basically, not going to clean them. It's going to ignore them. It can cross the carpets. It can sidestep the carpets or power boost. This is the one that's actually going to clean and vacuum your carpets. So pick and choose. You can read each one to find exactly the setting you want. And again, you can do that, you know, for each individual piece of carpet. You can pick and choose exactly what you want right here. And then there's the regular cleaning. So that one, again, if you're going to be mopping, it will just mop everywhere, right? So pretty cool. A lot of options though. Pick and choose right there. And then they have default settings as well too. So what do you want to do? You can adjust the default or customize it. And then last but definitely not least, we have our no-go zones down at the bottom. So now we can add by hitting that plus icon and drag and drop whatever we want. So in this area, let's just say we don't want it to vacuum or mop. Great. There we go. We could expand it out too, right? You get the idea. And we can add multiple zones. So we'll confirm that one. Let's add another zone. So we'll just pretend, okay, maybe right there. Cool. Confirm. Now we'll add another one. In this case, now we don't want to vacuum here. Perfect. And now we don't want to mop here. So there you go. Very simple and straightforward to configure this exactly how you want, to show it where it can or can't vacuum and mop, as well as where it can or can't mop or can or can't vacuum. And back from this screen, top right-hand corner, we have our map list option. This is where we can add multi-level mapping support. So if you have like an upstairs or a downstairs, different environments, you want to move it around your house or property, you can do that right here by adding a secondary map at the bottom, and up to 4 maps can be saved at one time. Also want to point out a nice feature that they have. It's called remap. So in the top right-hand corner of each map, you can also remap that environment if something changes. And along the lines of our map settings, from our main screen right here with our cleaning preferences, we have room cleaning options. So we can choose different rooms on our map to clean. We also have different zone options. So we can drag and drop multiple zones to have it clean on our map too. So we have some flexibility there with its smart navigation to really have multiple cleaning options. And lastly, at the very bottom right-hand corner, we have our record option. This is where we can view our cleaning history, and it also brings up a map from that clean, and you can see how many cycles it did in certain areas following that little key at the center of the screen. You could just match colors to see which one it did. You can also learn more about it by hitting the question mark, and it'll explain everything for you. Now, I do think they could definitely change those colors to make it a lot easier to tell. That would just be a nice little update they could do in the future. But we have a cleaning area and duration for each clean. So a lot of great features in the map that we can customize, very easy to find and navigate and get exactly what you want in your environment.